At just 15 years old, one Jamaican athlete, that's an impressive position. Speaking after the tournament, Balli credited his preparation and trust in his coaching team. He said, "My performances on the mat reflect what I believe in. In Canada, I had full confidence in my coach and my training, and it showed in my performance." But he made it clear that this medal is only the start. With the US Open Taekwondo Championships and the Junior World Championships coming up, Balli says his belief and confidence are only growing. Coach Antwaun Wilson also praised the achievement, calling it a sign of the growing strength of Jamaican Taekwondo. There won't be much time to celebrate. Balli is already preparing for his next challenge, the 2026 US Open Championships in Las Vegas, one of the most prestigious events in international Taekwondo. With momentum from his Canada Open medal and valuable ranking points secured, the young Jamaican athlete continues his pursuit of success on the global stage. And if this performance is any indication, Jamaica may have another future world champion in the making. What do you think about Daniel Isaac Balli's incredible performance at the Canada Open Taekwondo Championships? Could he become Jamaica's next global martial arts star? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy stories about Jamaican athletes making waves around the world, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Because here, we celebrate Jamaican excellence on the global stage.